Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Download the latest Xenia Canary build from the official repository or trusted mirror. Verify the build date and SHA-256 checksum before opening the emulator. Install the correct Xbox 360 or Xbox One game files into Xenia's game folder. Ensure the game is an intact retail dump to avoid compatibility issues. Use a valid Xbox Live account and confirm two-factor authentication settings are accessible. Back up your save data before attempting any network features. Insert valid Xbox Live title keys and certificate files into Xenia's keys folder. Place the correct Roman 16 files and certificates according to the build's README. Enable the network option in Xenia settings and set your Xbox Live region. Configure your NAT type to open for stable match and party connections. Forward UDP ports 3074 and 3478 on your router to your PC's local IP address. Test connectivity using Xenia's network diagnostic tool before signing in. Sign in with your Xbox Live account inside Xenia and accept any prompts. Keep your system clock accurate within 2 minutes of internet time for authentication. If you see authentication errors, check certificates, clocks, and account security settings. Review Xenia's log files to identify missing keys or network failures. Rebuild title keys or re-import certificates if login repeatedly fails. Finally, avoid using multiplayer services in ways that violate Xbox Live policies or terms of service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.